there's just something about Jacksonville this year where they're not coming back the way that I expected them to. Now they haven't really had much on their schedule over the last month or so. They're playing the Titans, they're playing the Cardinals, they're playing the Jets, they're playing, you know, the Indianapolis Colts. It hasn't been exactly a tough ride, but I like the Jacksonville Jaguars here to kind of make some noise. And, part of this is kind of like an emotional pick, kind of like how Joe alludes to emotional picks. This is me kind of hoping that I'm right so that the Denver Broncos can lose and that my Patriots can have a shot at that 1 seed again, but I really do like what Jacksonville has been doing, and it's going to be a great matchup to watch Trevor Lawrence and that offense play against that Denver defense.